This is the power of diagnostic testing as a service line being introduced in a physical therapy practice. This happens because while the national average for a single physical therapy visit is about $95, and I know some of you are saying right now, oh my God, I wish that I was making $95. I'm not even making $80. I understand that. But these are locations all over the US. Average PT visit is $95. Average EMG and Neuro Ultrasound session that takes you an hour is $700 nationwide. So just compare it. If you see really within that hour, even 2 patients, you're going to make $170, $180, $190. Compare that to $700 that you're going to make in that single hour, in that same hour. Very big difference. Is there a need for diagnostics? Of course there is a need. It is a $750 billion industry. And physical therapists have the ability, they have the capacity, they have the licensure, when properly certified, to tap into this industry and get reimbursed with CPT codes that are outside of the cap for physical therapy, but allowed to be paid to physical therapists. All the services I'm talking about, they can be performed, interpreted, billed to the insurance company by a physical therapist, and reimbursed to a physical therapist based on their physical therapy license and proper training and certifications. Here is how this concept works.
The HODS prescription to help patients and advance your practice. To the future of PT, massive numbers of people receive information about their back, shoulder, knee, or other problems via social media campaigns. They get directed to www.findbestpt.com, where they choose a HODS-approved diagnostic physical therapy center. Patients arrive and receive a proper evaluation that may include the use of diagnostics such as EMG and ultrasound imaging testing. The physical therapist creates an accurate treatment plan using both data from clinical examination and diagnostics. This plan addresses the patient's real cause of problem with 62% better accuracy. Patients get better faster and they are able to regain back their function. Then they recommend the services to their friends, family, and their doctors. And this is how we create a huge positive impact to society.